This is a big muscle that is called the gluteus maximus. You can see here, and it is also supplied by the arterial distribution coming from the abdominal aorta, because it is a big artery and it distributes to the lower limb, and it divides on one leg and also on the other aspect of the leg. And similar, like we also discussed, its distribution in different places and according to its name, that what nerve and what artery passes. According to their name, we distribute it. So inshallah, in next lecture we will study a little about the posterior aspect of the leg, its muscles and other structures. Thank you. The continuation of the abdominal aorta, when it comes in the femoral region, femoral area, that is the femur, so it then gives branch that is called as the femoral artery. When it comes to the popliteal